Alright, what's up YouTube? We had another dollar store and I see some cool ones I don't have. Check this out. Been looking for that one. CRX. Oh damn, look at that. Sweet. Score. Finally found this one. Yes. I'll put that right there. Don't go nowhere. Alright. What else we got here? It's a treasure hunt? Imagine that. Nope. It's gotta be in here though, man. I just feel it. It's in here somewhere. Holy, this one. Oh, look at that. They got the new ones here, man. I think. There's another CRX. Taking that too. Thank you very much. Hell yeah. Another one right there. I'll leave that for the other people. But let me go through this whole rack and I'll let you guys know what I get. Man, I'm excited. Wow. Okay. Stay tuned. Found this. I never even heard of this before. Time a taxi. Haha, cool. Awesome. Scooping that up. That's awesome. Time a taxi. Oh, cool. Alright, I only got to this side. Oh, what is that? Zamac. Is this a Zamac? What the? No, this is just a new color. These are all new ones. Yeah. I thought this was a Zamac. Not even a treasure hunt. Looks like a treasure hunt, man. Not though. Oh well, I'll just keep that there. Alright, stay tuned. Check this out. I finally found this. These are the new ones, man. Tankinator. Hell yeah. Sweet. Look at that, bro. Damn. And check out this. Ice cream. Yeah. Wow, this is so nice. Man, so glad I came to this one. Hell yeah. I got like 10 of them already and I've only been through this rack here. I still have this whole rack to search. Alright, stay tuned, man. YouTube, this is what I found. So I found these. No treasure hunts, but these are cool. On this cool Mustang. Fruity looking Mustang, but pretty cool. And awesome ice cream truck. So cool. Love it. It's so awesome. And another Prelude. This one has different rims, I think. Sweet though. That's it. That's all I can find. No treasure hunts. No treasure hunts in this whole. This must have been restocked yesterday. No THs. Never mind a super treasure hunt. There is no treasure hunts. But I found some of these cool Maisto. It's cool Porsche. Cool. I've never seen this one before. Pretty cool. And what else I got? Yellow Camaro. Bumblebee. What else I got here? The Porsche Panamera. Cool. And a Challenger or a Charger. A Charger. Cool. Alright. Can't believe there wasn't no treasure hunts in here, man. But a lot of new colors though. Look at this. It's pretty cool. This is a GT Hunter. It's a pretty sweet car. Awesome. check out these two. The what is it? The vaccinator. Red or teal? Ah, they're both nice. Sweet. There's also a treasure hunt in this, I believe. Can never find it. This is pretty cool. Some new colors. New color NASCAR color, white. This is pretty cool color. New Baja truck. Man, this is very hard to find, this STH, man. Jeez. It's impossible to find. That yellow pixel shaker. Cool. Man, I thought this was a treasure hunt, but no. Look what they got here somewhere. Not golden Batmobile. This is hard to find, man. I should just buy this. I have this, but sweet. This should have been a treasure hunt, man. It's so nice. Oh well, I'll leave that for someone else. And this one is very hard to find too. Thomas right here. This is the only second time I've seen this in the so many hunts that I've done. I don't know if I should get two hunts. Nah, I'll just grab one. It's so nice though. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Found this one also. Whoopsie. I almost left it here. And this cool. Look at this. Check this out. Fished and dipped. Look at that. Sweet. What is this one? Look at that one. It's a new color. Ford F. Ford F-149. Look at the color on that. Beautiful. Alright, that's what I can score. That's what I got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 Hot Wheels today. What the heck is this? What the hell kind of cheap toy is this? Beast? What the? No thanks. How about some of these fellas? Street racers. Some cheap stuff. Got a Matchbox here. I already have that. Got it. I have all these. Got them all already. That's so cool. Look at that. That's nice. That's pretty cool. Of course. Bone shaker wannabe. And that is it. This is a wrap. I'm off to Walmart now. But I'm happy with what I found here. There you go. This is my favorite today. This one right here. That's my favorite. So awesome. Look at that thing, man. Damn. Damn, I love it. Tankinator. This is a must-have. So nice. Sweet. Close up, extreme close up. Nice. Alright. Pay for these and get out of here. Peace out. Thanks for watching.